Hello everyone, we are the students of Supply Chain Management at Breton University, Sydney, Nova Scotia, and the topic of our project is augmented reality. Augmented reality could be considered as the enhanced and improved version of the real physical world, which is attained by the use of digital visual elements, sensory stimuli, or sound, which is delivered via technology. It could be regarded as an augmenting trend in businesses in the modern working environment, and its significance has enhanced over past years. In other words, augmented reality or AR is an interactive experience that accumulates computer-generated content and the real world. It is a technology that superimposes computer-generated content on the view of users of the real world, thus enabling and providing a composite view. With regards to AR, one of the most imperative features is the combination of physical and digital worlds. Further, it provides the opportunity to have interactions in real time along with accurate 3D identification of real and virtual objects. Organizations today have become increasingly inclined towards adopting a customer-centric approach, which eventually makes it feasible to provide more reliable, faster, accurate, and secure services across the supply chain. To be able to deliver high-quality services and products to consumers, businesses have inculcated the use of technology in their operations and processes. Augmented reality, which could be identified as one such technological innovation that has supported and enhanced supply chain activities and efficiency overall. The use of AR in supply chain management could lead to improved and enhanced effectiveness and efficiency by carrying out traditional tasks faster and with more effectiveness through leveraging camera and sensor-enabled AR devices and glasses. It has identified that the market of augmented reality is estimated to grow from $10.17 billion to 72.7 billion in the year 2024 at a CAGR of 46.6%. There are various functions and activities related to the supply chain where AR could result in being useful, and the major ones are discussed below. One of the biggest and most significant USPs of AR is related to driving effective warehouse management. Warehouse activities inculcate different activities such as storage, packing, and put away. The use of AR devices and smart glasses makes sure that a faster order picking process takes place, and the workers are able to develop a heads-up approach while carrying out their tasks. The AR vision packing software enables every information required by the workers to conduct their jobs in an adequate manner, such as how many items to pack, what items to be picked, where to pack, and more. The use of AR further augments safety of workers through its heads-up approach, along with playing an imperative role in minimizing error. This eventually reduces the probability of the workers to make blunders while carrying out critical tasks. AR could immensely useful for transportation optimization as well, as it could pave the way for enhanced work efficiency across logistics operations. Scanners that are AR enabled allow and assist the logistics firms to scan and identify damages, errors, and other product issues for compliance and regulations. The use of the use and effectiveness of AR could also be taken to optimize container loading and reduce the need for physical cargo instructions and lists. Moreover, it facilitates the instructions of loading on a heads-up display with step-by-step instructions on how to load a container effectively and efficiently without causing any risks or related issues. The overall process of transportation and loading could be reduced and optimized, and this could allow the firms to better manage their shipments and delivery of products at the specific destinations. Akash would now further continue with the slides. Thank you.
AR in supply chain management could be highly handy and beneficial in detecting machine breakdowns at the warehouses. The smart glasses of AR provide the opportunity of enhanced image recognition and This eventually provides the ability to identify any type of machine breakdowns in repacking and sorting of goods. This specific technology also leads to make sure that time maintenance of the machinery and systems is made so that any major malfunctioning could be avoided, along with mitigating the chances of delays in the supply chain. If a forklift breakdown happens, the worker on site could contact the person on call and allow him or her to see the breakdown via the camera-enabled smart glasses and further fix it in real time. This could be identified as a huge innovation in terms of supply chain management, where the worker does not have to travel all the way to the site, carry out the inspection, and then proceed with the fixing process. AR provides an opportunity to skip past all these steps and make use of technology to perform the needed tasks. Training and learning could be regarded as another imperative and critical area related to supply chain management, where the use of AR could be taken by the managers to quickly and effectively train the new employees and even brush up skills of the experienced employees so they could perform new tasks in a better way. The use of AR in this regard would eventually therefore lead to improving the work productivity and outcomes. Further, the use of AR for training has revolutionized the aspects of training as the workers are able to make use of the AR enabled smart glasses if they face any issue while performing a particular task and access the needed information to correctly perform the required activity. The role of human capital and physical trainers has been mitigated significantly, and this makes it possible to save time and ensure better work efficiency. On the whole, the workers have the access to all the needed training material and information which could be used at the right time to perform the right activities. Remote collaborations and tasks are among the most vital benefits and use of augmented reality as this has evolved and significantly changed the way companies work and operate in an environment. AR provides ample opportunities for expert assistance and digital collaborations for maintenance and troubleshooting, saving money and time at the same time. In many cases, the workers and employees do not have to physically move from one place to the other, and most solutions to the problems are provided digitally. Specifically during the COVID-19 span, workers have become more conscious about their health and safety, which has further augmented the need and significance of remote work. In this regard, the use of AR could significantly help and assist the companies in carrying out the required operations and activities. There are various companies that make use of AR to assist their stakeholders and eventually provide an overall improved experience for their customers. IKEA is one such company that makes use of AR, in which, through their application, they help customers to remodel their rooms and visualize the products of the home right at the store without having to buy them. The services of IKEA have significantly helped customers to have a unique experience, not only attracting them to choose IKEA over other brands, but also making wiser and better decisions through the use of technology. Google Lens is another practical example of a company that uses AR to enrich the lives of people. Google Lens is also used by employees in various businesses, which assists in tasks such as scanning, translation, measuring, and more. It analyzes barcodes, labels, images, QR, and text. The use of Google Lens has been varied and many different companies and professionals have been making use of it in a unique manner to serve their needs and requirements. AR has evolved the way businesses work and operate. This has provided an opportunity to bring significant improvements in the way firms work and function in the modern working environment. Even though there are certain loopholes and areas of improvement, AR has the potential to grow in future significantly and further evolve the way companies work and function on the whole. Next one, please.
So now let's talk about the challenges and benefits and the opportunities. First of all, I would present some benefits. So there are so many benefits of using this technology of AR. So the very important one is that augmented reality significantly increases efficiency. The devices and smart glasses provide a heads up to the employees and allow them to have the information that they need. This not only makes it easier for the employees to carry out their tasks, but also improves work efficiency as well as the effectiveness. And another point is that AR also reduces cost significantly and enabling remote workers to adequately contribute to the performance levels. It also allows consultants, manufacturers, repair experts, and many more individuals to offer remote assistance. After that, AR enhances and improves safety for employees. The devices could be used to display warning signs, allowing the workers to remain focused on their work and avoid any risks or possible advertises. Augmented reality further reduces and minimizes the errors. The virtual models and overall instructions allow the users make use of the technology and utilize the information and instructions to adequately complete the task. With reduces errors, the workers are able to deliver the work with more efficiency as well as the effectiveness. Next is some of the challenges that are related to the augmented realities. The very first one is related to the security and the privacies. And these are the issues which are among the major issues associated with this technology. So there are no regulations associated with the use as well as the implementation of the augmented reality. And individuals may use the technologies with malicious intent as well. So the augmented reality technology could be used to hijack the accounts and misuse in terms of data mining and the content of the business. Lack of awareness is another related security concern, as people making use of augmented reality who are not adequately skilled may adversely utilize the technology and can create negative results. Another point is like social issues of augmented reality are the another major concerns related to this technology. There is the notion that AR applications are nothing more than an unnecessary additions and that there is no proper uses or benefit of this technology. Also, the public mostly is not aware of the benefit of this technology in many fields. The audience is aware of the name of the technology, but they don't know how it is practically used or implemented. Another point is like ethical and legal issues are among other issues related to this technology. While AR has given immense responsibility to companies as well as individuals who are using it, it has further raised concerns regarding ethical and legal problems. The use of technology allows the user to gain access to streets, buildings, and locations without their consent, and this breaches their privacy as well as the responsibility. The public spaces could be hijacked, and this has developed serious issues regarding the confidentiality and breach of private space of an individual. With regard to the opportunities, there are some if we talk about the opportunities, then there are some that we can discuss here. The very first one, even though there are many companies around the globe that have been involved in making use of AR in the best possible manner, there are further opportunities that could be explored and optimized. One such opportunity could be regarded as moving toward remote work. While remote work has already been inculcated by many firms, but this aspect could further be enhanced in the future by allowing the companies to hire staff on a temporary basis and also maintain the low cost by mitigating traveling, fixed expenses, and much more. This is one opportunity that could further be worked on, and this could generate feasible results for firms in the long run. Another point is leaping into the metaverse is another opportunity that could be taken, and this could change the dynamics of business for goods. With the use of metaverse, companies would be able to strike down the barriers between the real world and the digital world. While the concepts still exist, much more focus and attention could be given to these aspects in the future to achieve the related benefits. Last point regarding the opportunity is powering indoor and outdoor navigation through AR could also be one of the opportunities related to the supply chain that may result in being highly imperative. And AR navigation could be immensely useful in transportation and warehouse management, making the process of logistic management much more effective and useful. And the next slide will be presented by Udit Saini. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll be telling the recommendation for the future use. There are various recommendations for the future with regard to the use and implementation of AR in business and supply chain. One of the recommendation is to start focusing more on the training and development of employees so that they may be able to enhance their skills and abilities related to AR. For better implementation of AR, it is vital that the individual make use of technology, are well aware and capable to handle the technology in the most effective manner. With proper training and development ensured by the business, the firm would be able to make sure that the employees have the required skills and aptitude to utilize the technology in the most effective manner overall. One of the other recommendation is related to improving the work culture and environment. While this may not be directly linked to AR, it could play a highly critical role in ensuring its effective use of it in the companies. The focus may be given by companies on enhancing their work culture in a way that the stakeholders are always willing to change and accept the necessary changes. The use of technology could be significant for the stakeholders, and some individual may not have a very positive attitude towards it. By working on the environment and culture, the business would be able to ensure that all related individuals have a positive behavior towards the innovation along with the rightly accepting the technology. Another recommendation could be considered a higher focus and attention on research and development. The technology of AI is relatively new, and so it is vital that firms constantly research the innovation and find out ways through which it could be used in most optimum manner. With regard to the supply chain, researches and development could take place to make sure that the improvement and enhancement made in AI positively affect the implementation processes, increases the chances of success on the whole world. Thank you, and here we end our presentations.
Awesome.